Today I want to revisit my wish list of year 2019 and see if I did purchase some items from that wish list, if I changed my mind about some of my items on the wish list, and just to see if I'm actually willing to buy whatever is still left over on my wish list. So please guys, stay with me. Wish list. When we are adding something to our wish list, we are definitely influenced by other people or the trends that are happening in the market on that specific time. Say 99% of the time we don't know what's going to be released in next upcoming year, unless if you are in that specific industry, you're working in the fashion industry and you know what trends are going to be, or not even the trends, what new releases come into the boutiques, and therefore you don't know for sure what you're gonna buy or what item you're not gonna buy. But today I want to revisit my wish list and see if I did purchase everything from my wish list, or if I change my mind about many items that I actually plan to purchase this year. And shall we start? So the company is Extra, and their bags that I'm having my eye on for, I'm gonna obviously insert kind of pictures or something on the side over here. And the bag is absolutely classic shape. They have so many different colors, and I have my eye on a couple of colors actually. One is kind of very classic burgundy color, and the other color is kind of like a taupe or tape color, very neutral but deeper tone of beige, kind of beige grayish color. I absolutely in love with that bag. It's classy shape, and the company is actually a very long time in business, and they have different variety of leather. They have smooth leather, they have texture leather. So the wish number one was obviously my Extra handbag. Did I buy it? And obviously if you are watching my channel and if you're following me on Instagram, you know that number one on my wish list I fulfilled. And here is my Extra handbag. So I'm just gonna come a little bit closer to the camera. As you can see from my wish list, I was kind of more lenient to the burgundy color and maybe kind of taupe color or dark beige. But once again, as you know, I got myself a Chanel in burgundy, and I got myself Chanel in kind of dark beige or neutral beige color. So therefore my Extra choice was not the original colors that I planned. It was totally unexpected, but as I said, I was trying to be bold and discovering something new, not only in the brands but in the colors as well. And that is the handbag from the Extra that I purchased. They call it size mini, but let me tell you, it's definitely not a tiny handbag. I mean, it's a small, but it's quite practical, so lots of items can actually fit inside this handbag. And I'm very happy with this purchase and have absolutely zero regrets of purchasing this handbag. So wish list number one, check mark. So shall we continue with the wish list number two? The second thing that I want to add to my collection is Hermes, and this is not something new. Many of you maybe already have it, but I don't. And this is going to be Collier de Chien bracelet, and I want to once again add it in some kind of like a taupe color with the rose gold. I mean, I'm okay with the black as well, but I kind of have my eye on the taupe color. And once again, I'm gonna put some kind of picture on my left side just to give you an idea of what kind of color I want. Wish list number two, CDC bracelet from Hermes. Did I get it? Absolutely. I get it in the taupe colors that I plan, but actually the proper name is a taupe color, and I was planning to get it in rose gold but I got it in silver, and I got it in Epsom leather. It's a little bit textured and very durable. I actually had my doubts about this color. I almost changed my mind and changed this bracelet to the black one, but I'm so glad that I didn't do it, because I use this bracelet all the time, absolutely all the time, especially right now during the summer month. It goes absolutely with everything, and I'm so glad that I got this bracelet. So item number 2, check mark. Shall we continue with my wish list? Moving to Chanel. But realistically, what I want to get from Chanel, it's kind of dangly earrings. They have several different varieties, and each time they're coming with a new and more exciting dangly earrings. But I want like substantial dangle kind of earrings from the Chanel. And the second items that I want to get from Chanel, it's classic 2.55, and I wanna in size 225. So wish list number 3 is from Chanel, and I wished from 1 dangly earrings. Did I get it? Absolutely. And so here is my Chanel earrings, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit closer. So here's the wish list earrings that I plan to get, and I got exactly the same earrings that was on my wish list. The only one thing, if I may say, about these earrings, they're quite heavy, you know, and my ear loops is not as big, so they're definitely heavy for me. I cannot tolerate them outside. I literally wore them few times for my videos, and the moment video is over, I taken them off. They're beautiful, gorgeous, I love them, but they're a little bit too heavy for my ears. So from now on, I have to be more careful when I'm choosing something, obviously in a solid brass with a little bit of pearls that they have. And looking right now back and know what I know about these earrings, would I get it again? Most likely no, and not because once again I don't like them. I absolutely adore these earrings. Once again, a little bit closer to the camera, I love them. The only problem with these earrings that they're just a little bit too heavy for my ears. And recently I purchased another Chanel earrings, and that's what I'm wearing actually, in fact, today. These earrings that I got from Chanel recently, they're very small, very delicate, and I literally don't feel them on my ears. And I'm thinking in the future, if I'm gonna buy any custom jewelries, it has to be something that's quite comfortable on my ears, because if it's not comfortable, like, you know, it's pretty much hard to use it. When it comes to my Chanel 225, I didn't get it yet. It's still on my wish list. It's still on my wish list, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna get it 1 year. So let's continue with my wish list. Moving to Gucci. From Gucci, I want to get belts, and there's a couple of belts I kind of keep my eye on. It's one belt, it's double G with pearls, and the other one, it's a double G with the snake design, and I'm gonna once again insert both of these belts to my left side. And the other item I want to get from Gucci, I want to get velvet bag from Gucci, and most likely I don't want to get velvet bag in black or any neutral colors. I really want to break my boundaries this year, and I want to get maybe in some kind of purple. So Gucci, this year from Gucci, I was actually planning to add Gucci Marmont belt with the pearls or maybe the snake design, and it didn't happen. And I'm almost pretty much feels that I'm kind of almost over Gucci Marmont, and I am so glad, because I was actually toying with the idea of buying Gucci Marmon in velvet last year several times. Actually beginning of this year I didn't buy it, and I'm so glad that I didn't, because I'm pretty much over Gucci Marmon. And in fact, I'm actually even planning to sell my Gucci Marmon camera style handbag. I love that bag, it's beautiful, but I don't use it. Last year in summer I actually used just twice. That's about it. For the whole summer I used twice, and I'm actually pretty much convinced myself that I'm gonna sell that handbag. So no any Gucci handbag or any Gucci belt, but I got my Gucci shoes, and I got few Gucci outwears, which is I'm very happy with the purchases this year, but definitely not a Gucci handbag. So let's see what next on my wish list. First one is going to be LV desert boots, and once again I'm gonna insert the picture. I've been eyeing these boots for a very long time. I think they're very beautiful boots. They're very practical, and what I like about these boots, that you can wear them in kind of like a sporty way, but at the same time I could be in this dress and put those boots and kind of be more edgy, and that's what I like about those boots. I absolutely adore them. The other very important point for me in later years more mature years, let's put it this way, I start liking more comfortable shoes. So LV desert boots, no, I didn't buy them yet. Are they off my wish list? No, I'm still thinking of buying LV desert boots. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen this fall. We will see, but they're not completely off my list, and but at the same time I'm not going crazy over them as I was before. I'm still kind of toying with the idea, but definitely not going crazy over the LV desert boots. The other pair of boots sorry, not the boots, shoes. The other pair of shoes that I want to add is from Manolo Blahnik, and this is Nella shoes. I'm gonna once again insert a picture of those shoes. So Manolo Blahnik, obviously on my wish list it was a different choice, but as you know guys, I still got myself Manolo Blahnik this year, and in fact I'm wearing them today. Let me pull it off my feet. And you know guys that I got myself a Hangizi this year. Once again, very colorful options. Like this year I'm trying to be bold with my choices, being very open to different colors, not just black, brown and neutral. I'm like, as you can see, I have lots of blues, burgundies, light colors in the bags, which is always not safe. So I got myself Manolo Blahnik Hangizi, and they're in a tweed fabric. Very happy with this purchase, and I got them on exceptional sale. So that's about it on my wish list for the year 2019. As you can see, I got many items from my wish list, so I checked so many check marks, and some of the items I'm glad that I didn't get it, and that's the purpose of this wish list. You know, sometimes you're putting something on the wish list, you think that you're absolutely in love with that specific item, but give it yourself a few months and you will find that actually you're very much over that specific item. Thank you very much guys for being with me. Thank you very much for watching my channel. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I hope to see you again on my channel, and I guess until our next meeting, bye bye.